Hi everybody, this is Nathan here. In this video, I want to talk to you about the great things that we are doing at Income Revolution at 40. IRA 40, that is what we call it. Now, I'm targeting men over 40. If you are above 40 and challenges are still rocking you left and right, and you don't know what your life is becoming, you have lost direction, you have no safety net, you don't know where your next meal is coming from or how the rent is going to be paid. This is for you. Now, as a man, you need to have a system that has the ability to be, funneling money into your account every now and then. But I can tell you that there are most people who are just living paycheck to paycheck. Now, this is not what your life is supposed to be. You are supposed to have a system that when today you are not even strong enough to go to work, there will still be money in your account and the money will keep coming. But what do we see today? If the paycheck should stop today, your life will be miserable. That is why I'm calling on you. I'm not asking you to stop your main work, but I want to tell you that each and every man must have a business, like a side hustle, something that you are doing that can bring some transformation into your life. But I can tell you, most people do not have a clue about this very thing. But I want to jump you in on. IRA 40 is open. It's for men above 40. If for each and every one, if you're a woman and you want to join, we don't have any problem. But the important thing is that above 40, make sure you have a side hustle. You have something that can keep bringing you money each and every day, even in your sleep. Even in your sleep. That's what we do. Now, what do we do at IRA 40? Now, we believe that each and every one, especially if you are 40 years and above, you know something. You have at least been through some level of employment. You've had some practices, you've had some experiences in life, and you have things that you have learned by virtue of the years that you have accumulated on planet Earth. Now, that is what we are calling you to search within yourself and find out what exactly do you know? What exactly do you know how to do that you can put together and get this thing into a digital product, and this can be sold across the world. So all that we are saying is that anything at all that you think you know, somebody around the world somewhere is interested in also knowing the same thing. So you can do simple basic ebooks and sell it across the world. That is all we are asking you to do. Now, people do not need another information. What they need is a step by step guide. So, can you put whatever you know into a step by step guide for that person to be guided and also to be able to do exactly what you are also doing? Now, when you have this ability, it will amaze you the level to which it can transform your life. Your life can be transformed just by selling a guide. That is information, and people are in a hurry. No one wants to spend any more time in another classroom. People really want to do the next thing in the next minute. And the best way that they can do it is to tap into somebody who knows how to do it already, and the person will just guide them and let them know. They are not interested in another information. So you are not there to just gather information. You are just there to summarize the information and give it to them in a step by step guide so they can achieve that which they want to do. Now, this is a simple task. But many would think, oh, Nathan, what do I know? But I tell you, each and everyone knows something. There is a saying that there is a book in everyone. Now, so far as you have lived and you have accumulated some years on planet Earth, there is something in you that somebody else will be interested in also knowing. That is what we are calling you. Maybe you know how to cook. Maybe you can drive very well. Maybe you know how to iron clothes very well. Maybe you are a computer, guru, and there are a lot of things and tricks that you have learned, and you can do great things online that no one can ever think about. Sit down and put these pieces together. Or maybe you know how to take care of the aged. or maybe you have the ability to fix cars, or maybe you know what it takes to put together buildings, or you are a good painter, or you are an interior decorator. All these things are things that people are looking out for. So if somebody wants to decorate his room, he doesn't want to go through another course before he's able to decorate his room. Can you give him a step-by-step way by which he can get this done? And I can tell you that this thing will be bought anywhere across the world. Now, you don't need so much money to live like a king. If you have a book or maybe a 10-page ebook that is only $10 and you can get 1,000 people to buy in a day, that is $10,000, my brother. And I can tell you that these things are possible because there are billions of people on the internet, and that is what you need to tap into. But what we do, we go about, we sit and we do nothing with that which we know. But around this time around, I can tell you that if you can listen to what I'm saying and you can tap into the link below this video, you will be able to bring that transformation that I'm talking about. There is something within you. Now we have a system that can examine and look at it and let you know that okay, you are good at this, so apply your hand to this and it will be possible. That is what IRA 40 is about. Income Revolution at 40. And I'm speaking specifically to men because I realize that most men are miserable. Most men have challenges. Most men are really dragging through life, and possibility of getting over the challenges are not there. But there is always a solution when you open your eyes and look wider. So I'm calling on you. I believe you will listen. You may have had a lot of opportunities, but don't let this pass you by. Don't let this pass you by. Don't let this pass you by. Tap into it, and I think you can join our group, and we will have a good time together. I'll be waiting for you on the inside. Now, if you have any challenges, you can shoot me an email, any question at all, anything at all that you want to know before you join. You can also ask me in the comments because I'll be there answering questions for people who think they have issues. Whatever you think, if you think it's not possible, or you have some challenge, or you think you there is one thing that is stopping you, or something that you need to overcome before you can do what I'm talking about, the comment section is there. Now when you put it there, I'm going to meet you in the comment and I'll answer all your questions. So I'll see you on the inside, really on the inside, and let's do this together. If you are a man specifically, I want you to overcome. I want you to be the king of your business. I want you to be the head of your family, and I want you to drive your life in the way that you want it to go. I'll see you. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.